Well, Wooly here. Guys, this beast, this absolute beast, is the French Army F2 rucksack. Let's have a look. I'm going to do a wee twirl for you, okay? Contain yourselves. And in true Red Branch bushcraft style, it's just started raining. Let's have a look. Yeah, guys, look at it. What a beast. What an absolute beast. Guys, this is the French Army. It's a French Army surplus rucksack, okay? This is made of a very, very heavy duty Cordura, water resistant Cordura. It is full of pockets. It is full of MOLLE attachment areas. There's one on the top, there's one on the front, there's one on the sides, okay? One on both sides, all right? Guys, this is like the best built military rucksack I have ever seen in my life, okay? I bought this used, okay, off Go Armee for $64.99 plus £4 shipping, right? And I think the person who had this before me, the French soldier that was issued this rucksack, had done their jungle training with this on, because this thing was bogging. It was so dirty. You can still see the dust on it after I hosed it and scrubbed it. Guys, this is incredible quality. This rucksack will survive the apocalypse, okay? I'm putting it out there. It is very, very well made, guys. Extremely well padded as well. My God, this thing is comfortable to wear. All right, so it has an aluminium frame on the outside. Very, very heavily padded. Guys, I'm going to see if I can balance that there and zoom it in. Completely adjustable. Very heavily padded, guys. Really thick shoulder straps, waist straps, and everything is adjustable. Absolutely everything is adjustable. So it's 100 litres, right? You can add pouches on the side, which will bring it up to 120 litres. Now, I don't have the pouches on the outside. Guys, it has a rubberized waterproof bottom, okay? And this is separate, so this is your sleep system, and this is your main compartment here, generally how these things work, okay? Now, here's the thing, right? It's a beast, but I don't have it full. There's a snow skirt at this level, and then another one at this level up here, and it's slightly rubberized as well, guys. It also has like an admin pocket here at the back of these MOLLE pouches. Two-way zippers throughout. I have like a 20-foot tarp stuffed into this just to pad it out a bit. Guys, everything is rubberized on the back, and this is your main compartment, and this is another access to your main compartment, guys. This thing is an absolute beast. An absolute beast. Look. It's made by Syntex. Okay, I'm probably not pronouncing that right. And if memory serves me, guys, Syntex used to make a lot of stuff for the Irish Army and the Belgian Army and stuff like that. And very, very, very good quality gear. Okay, guys, so we have a pouch, a lid pouch. It's rubberized as well on the inside, and we have a separate pouch on the side of the lid here. Woo! And a spare buckle in it, guys, which reminds me, actually, on the inside here, guys, this will take a water bladder and all that sort of stuff. It has the attachment points and the holes in it. On the inside, in this little pouch here, guys, I thought I'd found some military hardware or something. I was like, yes, it's a grenade. Guys, spare buckles in a Ziploc bag. So you have a spare waist buckle, okay, and you have various little buckles and stuff like that as well. So, and they are all cut like this, so that you can attach them easily, okay, which is really clever, really clever, guys. This thing, I'm gonna put it out. See how strong I am? See the way I just threw that up? Normally if I was putting a rucksack of this size on, I would be throwing up, but like puking. Hang on. Guys, sternum straps, little clippy bits, everything, absolutely every single strap has your little Velcro tabs for getting your straps out of the way. Guys, it's a really comfy pack. It sits very well. It rides like it feels like a high quality mountaineering rucksack. That's what it feels like to put on. Guys, I know generally, you know, you wear these military rucksacks and they're a bit tough. You know, they're not so padded on the hips, or they're, you know, the straps aren't the best, you know, but this thing is very nice. Guys, I'll put the link down below to the website I got it off. Go Armee, I'm nearly thinking it was, guys. And as I said, it's in really good condition for military surplus, guys, except it was a little bit dirty. But hey, listen, I'll put up with that all day long. So this is the French. I like the camouflage pattern on it as well, guys. This is the French Army woodland camo pattern, which is sort of like a cross between DPM and Irish camo pattern, but a little bit more faded. So it works well in this environment. Okay. So if you are looking for a skip to wear on your back, guys, you are thinking about getting a British Army military Bergen or something like that, and you're sort of, you know, I know they have a bit of a, people would say they're not the most comfortable thing to wear, and they're not really designed to be worn as a backpack on their own, guys. Well, you know, this is a definite option for you, okay? A definite option, and something you should look at. This thing is completely over-engineered. It is just bomb-proof materials, super heavy duty, and will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. The midges are eating ahead of me. I hope you appreciate what I'm doing for you right now. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay frosty.